Hello friends, welcome back to my channel ArtWindow. As we all know, Teachers' Day is approaching. Let's make our favorite teacher feel more precious. So here is a quick DIY technique to create a eye-catchy paper rose. So let's begin. Materials required are crepe papers, green and red, rounder, fevicol, scissors, sticking tape and a small wooden stick. So let's begin. Take two crepe papers. One is the green one for the leaves and other is the red one for the rose. Now you need to take the rounder and make a circle for the rose part. While for the leaves, you need to cut a leaf shape. After the cutting part is done, you will achieve a small leaf shape and also one red circle. Now let us start the actual rose making part. Take the stick and the circle. You need to apply the glue at the top part of the stick. Don't apply too much. Now press it gently onto it. The inner part of the stick should not be seen. As you can notice, I have also put the second one. In the same manner, you need to apply and stick all these circles for the rose part. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? After all this is done, keep it to dry for a while. Rose part is done. Now we need to stick the green tape below as the stem. So here is the green tape. You can get it in any nearby stationery. It is a self-sticking tape. Let's start. Rose is almost ready. Now we just need to stick these leaves. So let's go ahead. Take the leaf, apply the fevicol at its base, and stick it in such a way. Pay attention while sticking, because sometimes there are chances that it may get wrong. In such a way, you need to stick 2 to 3 leaves on the rose stem. Our rose is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.